Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to welcome everyone. Today we are going to consider area of a parallelogram as a topic. Area of a parallelogram can be derived in two ways based on the dimensions given. So the first aspect, when base and the perpendicular heights are given, the area of a perpendicular height will be base times perpendicular height. Let's solve this question. Find the area of the shape below. This is the height, which is 7 centimeter, and this is the base, which is 21 centimeter. So the height is 7 centimeter and the base is 21 centimeter. So the area is equals to base times perpendicular height. Perpendicular height. That means A is equals to B times H. So we are going to have 21 centimeter times 7 centimeter. A is equals to 7 times 1, that will be 7. 7 times 2, that will be 14. 147 centimeter square. Don't forget that centimeter multiplied by centimeter will give us centimeter squared. And the second aspect is when the two sides and the included angle are given. So area will be AB sine theta. That means area is the product of two sides and the sine of the included angle. So let's solve this example. Calculate the area of the shape below. So the angle here is 106. So the theta is equals to 106, and our A is 7 centimeter, while our B is equals to 18 centimeter. And the area is equals to AB sine theta. So our A here is 7 times 18 sine 106. So we are going to multiply 7 times 8. That's 56. We keep 5. Then 7 times 1, that's 7. Plus 5, that's 12. So 126 sine 106. Then we are going to multiply. We can also find the value of sine 106 first, which is 0.9613. 0.9613. Then we are going to multiply, and by the time we multiply, our result will be 121.1 centimeter squared. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. Make sure that you like our video, drop a reasonable comment, and share it with your loved ones. See you next class. I love you all.